number 7.
Don't lower your performance to meet your expectation, but raise of your level of performance to meet your expectations. Sawari ka! Wala palakpak, iwatonto. Sawari ka! Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is the night when all the drag queens shine bright at the municipality of Padilla, Matahong, Malinong, the place where we belong. Good evening. This is the one and only, but not two, but not three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hindi ko na palabot 100. This is Tyra Vam, all the way from the land of champion, Barrio Obrero, Iloilo City. Do ka subo sa inyo? Alright, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, jokes to go ka naman. No, excuse me, I'm a fan of Mang Inasal. That's now. Are you ready? Para iluning me? How about you? Are you ready for her? I'm not sure. Check us now. Luning-ning, pasok! Expect ko ba si Luning-ning naka-pencil? Naka-pencil na may pencil. Monggol to. Oh, beto. Pick na. Okay. Ready? Wait, dumaulan ba naman? Alright, here's your question. Sa bansang mahilig sa tiis ganda, hanggang saan tayo dapat magtiis bago natin sabihin, ate, masakit na. Again, sa bansang mahilig sa tiis ganda, hanggang saan tayo dapat magtiis bago natin sabihin na, ate, masakit na. Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Before I answer this question, I would like to say thank you so much for my friend King and Leslie Perez. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are drag queens. You expect us to entertain you, to give us a show. But you don't know, hindi nyo alam, yung struggle namin backstage. Sa pakpak pa lang, make-up pa lang, sa heels pa lang, stocking pa lang, nakaipit na. Pagbukas, color violet na. But we, drag queens, are part of our community in this country. Just like what happened today for flood control, right? But we still believe that Philippines will survive no matter what happened, because the quality of Filipino are very, very matyaga. And if ever I will pass away in my last breath, I will say, ate, masakit na, tama na. And I thank you